How to make a bottle with powder formula. First, wash your hands well before preparing bottles or feeding your baby. Next, clean and sanitize the workspace where you will be preparing your formula. Measure the appropriate amount of water and then pour into a clean baby bottle. Add unpacked level scoops of powder formula to the bottle as directed. 1 scoop per 2 fluid ounces of water. Scoop sizes can vary, so it's important to use the scoop that comes with your product. Return dry scoop to container. Firmly close lid. Put the cap on the bottle and shake. Baby formula doesn't need to be warmed, but if you prefer to warm it, use a water bath. Set the filled and capped bottle in a bowl of warm, not boiling water until warm, approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Or hold the capped bottle under warm running tap water for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until warm. Make sure the top or neck of the bottle does not touch the water. Before feeding, shake again to warm the formula evenly. Then sprinkle a few drops of formula on the inside of your wrist to make sure it's not too hot. Feed promptly. Discard any remaining prepared formula after 1 hour. Baby bottles, nipples, and rings should be cleaned after every feeding. Make sure to take bottles fully apart, thoroughly clean, and let air dry.